First y'all made Elon cry, now y'all making him beg. I love it. I love it. I absolutely love it. This man is literally begging Tesla staff to hold on to their shares. He's begging, he's pleading with them, okay? Please hold on to your shares. And remember, I put three fingers up, four top business executives for the company sold over $100 million worth of shares in early February. Remember, this man has lost over $200 billion from his net worth. He is begging them. An article just broke news that he is begging Tesla employees and Tesla staff to hold on to their shares. And I don't know how well that's going to do for him, considering Tesla's Cybertruck just got hit with its eighth recall over safety regulations. Like, apparently, the outer external panel, you can literally peel. It is peeling off in the windshield. It literally is peeling off. And you could peel it off yourself if it doesn't do it on its own. And now y'all got him begging. And you know me, I tell you guys to go and fact check. Go on MSN.com right now. The title of the article is Musk pleads with Tesla staff not to sell shares after Trump backlash. It's honestly too late. It's too late. Not only did you attach yourself to Donald Trump, but when you did attach yourself to Donald Trump, you got cocky. You got arrogant. You started telling other government officials and other politicians in other countries to shut up. You was using your platform X as a means to I don't know. And I don't know. To be honest, you enraged the people, but you were using that platform as if I have this big billboard and I can basically say whatever the say. Now you've lost public interest. People don't care about you. Anybody who was siding with you before as a business person loathes you now. And then all of the people that invested their money in you, because let's be honest, now that's what you're doing. Because you've decided to attach yourself to that man, get into politics, something that you should have never did, ruin not only your reputation, but because you ruined your reputation, you ruined the reputation of the business. And now all those investors are looking at you crazy because you losing their money. Congratulations. But now that you have made this man cry on national television, y'all got this man begging. I want to see you guys combine that. I want this man begging and crying on his knees. That's what I want to see. And even then, we still not letting up.
Tesla is more important than America. That's how things look like. And that's how Americans are seeing it. So if what is making our president not care for us is you, Tesla, we know we are stuck with this man for 4 years, but you gotta go. So Americans are very smart. They are doing the things right. Until they make another choice of another president, they are going to mess everyone's lives up who comes into the mixture to take away the attention of the leader of the nation. Tesla, you're in the position to let or to make or to influence our president not think about his people that he is leading, but he is focusing all the energy on you. You gotta go.
That man is going broke, y'all. He's actually going broke. The boycotts is working. He's going broke. From December till now, which back then he was accredited to being worth almost $400 billion, he has lost half of his net worth. Honestly, somebody should have told Elon that anything that attaches itself to Donald Trump is going to result in a bankrupt. Like, you're going to go bankrupt. That man literally his father's entire real estate industry. And everybody's saying that's the real reason why this man, Elon, was crying on Fox News. He was crying. He's crying because all of his wealth, all of his riches is tied up into Tesla stocks. He bought Twitter with Tesla stocks, meaning if he loses all of his money, he also loses X, which, to be honest, go ahead and bring it back to how it used to be, because I don't know what the X is. Like, we want Twitter. Y'all can literally go and fact check this. It's right here on the internet. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla and Twitter, which By the way, it's really funny how they're not even respecting the fact that he calls it X now, but becomes the first person to ever lose $200 billion from his net worth. His loss was primarily due to a drop in Tesla's share price. We told y'all holding them funds. I told y'all holding them funds was going to make a difference. I told you that this is what's going to make an oligarchy respond. It's going to put some fire up under their asses. I told you, taking away their money. That's the only thing that they fucking respond to. And that's why Donald Trump was talking about, oh, I'm gonna go and buy a Tesla, and was trying to generate, sales in Tesla, and then also trying to make it seem like, or tell the people of America that boycotting, Tesla was illegal, that it was unjust. That's the reason why this man is really losing his money. And it's a domino effect, y'all. Do you know how many people have their money tied up into this shit? You know how many people got their money tied up into this? Like elite people that was expecting an expected payout. They was expecting money in their pockets. Yeah. We got to keep on doing what we doing. And again, like I said, somebody should have told Elon that anybody who attaches themselves to Donald Trump, see, his father was the mastermind. Donald Trump, anybody who attaches himself and their business, their company, their integrity to Donald Trump is going to go down. You are going to file bankrupt. You're going to lose your money. You're going to lose your business. He's not a businessman. Donald Trump is not a businessman. He's a comedian.
Tesla has asked Elon to step down as CEO. But the timing of this. I mean, they didn't ask when he went on the campaign trail with Trump. They didn't ask when Trump won and took Elon right with him to the White House. They didn't ask when Elon broke a lot of laws to get his hands on very private information within the federal government. They didn't ask when he did those special salutes at the world-famous speech. They didn't ask as he ran around like a maniac with a chainsaw on stage. No. Tesla asked when their stocks went down. When their stocks went down, Tesla said, yeah, you think maybe you don't want to be the CEO anymore? I'm sorry, Tesla, but we already saw your true colors. It's too late. Damage is done. We will continue to boycott Tesla. That's how it works. And as far as this damage that was done, not good, should have charges pressed, but terrorism, we can do that to the capital of this great nation. We can desecrate what it is that is sacred to this country. But oh no, not one of those cars. So Tesla is more important than America. Got it.
So here's the reality. He's going on TV. He's whining. He's showing so much weakness. And if it was his personal life, that's fine. But right now what we're seeing is he's showing weakness in business. And businesses hate weakness. They hate uncertainty. They hate weakness. They want a strong leader. And right now, Elon Musk has completely destroyed that for himself. So he can't remain CEO of Tesla. I don't think Tesla can come back from this. I don't think they can remove Elon and his influence and become a good company again. I think their brand's been ruined because he used the White House to basically protect Tesla. So Tesla became a conformist brand instead of a rebel brand. And people like a rebel. They like an underdog. They don't like the fact that the government is protecting Tesla, because that just shows that instead of wanting to compete and be capitalist, it's going to be no, we're going to protect Tesla. We're going to force Tesla on the people. And that just completely ruins any sort of branding that Tesla could have. So Tesla as a company is completely done. And Elon is just making it worse by going on TV and crying, because it's showing that he is weak, and it's showing that basically you can't have him run a company because it's not strong leadership. So Tesla is just completely done, and Elon as a CEO is completely worthless to any company that's ever going to be what a company should be.
But if we are actually looking at the end of Tesla, Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel. My name is Natskunda Esther. If you're new here, hi, welcome. If you like more content, please consider subscribing, like, comment, and share. Let me know what you think in the comment section, because I feel like we went away from the Donald Trump era to an Elon Musk era, and it looks like it's definitely not going well for him. Right now, I really understand what people's opinions mean. We're going to get into all of them, but I really do understand where people are coming from when they say, right now, Elon has associated the brand too much with the government that even if you liked the car, you will not buy it because you don't like the government. You understand what I mean? Because now it feels like the government is forcing us to do things. By the way, let me know what you think in the comment section about Elon Musk being set up by Trump. No, because I have been seeing it on TikTok. And this is going to be a next video, another video for another day. But people on TikTok are saying, what if Donald Trump messed around with Elon Musk? He wanted the funds, he wanted the power to get into the White House, but clearly setting him up for failure, because clearly he has been president before and he knows how the people react and he knows how presidents be like and what they can do and what can happen when people know certain things or when you affiliate yourself with certain things in the presidency. What if Donald J. Trump is playing Elon Musk to actually take him down, benefit from him, use him, and then he falls?